Hello, my name is Paul Mayfield. I'm with Amerex Integrated, part of the Methane family of companies. We provide the capability to take just about any wired sensor, being a digital dry contact, to a 4 to 20 milliamp sensor and make it a wireless IoT sensor. As you can imagine, you can save a lot of money by not having to run cabling or trenching. This is especially important in an upgrade or an expansion situation. Some examples of this application might be temperature, pressure, vibration, current, or flow. Basically, your only limitation is your imagination. Today, we have a Det-Tronics infrared methane 4 to 20 milliamp sensor. You'll notice the only connection we have here is a power connector, which is 24 volt DC. You can see here we have a green LED light, meaning that the sensor is in ready status. When I take the cover off the back here, you can see this is our Amerex integrated circuit board. This allows us to create a network, and we call this a node. This node will transmit wirelessly over here to my laptop. On my laptop, we have our demo software, and you'll notice the device here looks like a USB drive, but actually it creates the wireless mesh network between the sensor, the node in the sensor, and my laptop. Some of you might ask what sort of range we get out of this, and it all depends on the environment. I can tell you in an open field line of sight, the range is almost 3 miles, which is pretty good. So now on to the demonstration. Even though this is a methane gas detector, I'm going to use butane as a cigarette lighter to activate the sensor. And what's going to happen here is the Det-Tronics will sense the butane. It'll provide a form of 4 to 20 milliamp to our node, and then our node will transfer it wirelessly to the laptop. As you can see here, we went from a green state to a red, and also on the screen it went from no reading to orange. All of this is being transferred again wirelessly in real time. We also have another demo software that's more graphical in form, and let me go ahead and show you that. Give me one moment. And what you're going to notice here is this orange line, which is what's connected over here to the Det-Tronics sensor. And as you can see, we still are getting a sense, and our orange line is about in the middle of the curve. The y-axis here is showing the 100-point scale measuring the 4 to 20 milliamp output from the Det-Tronics sensor, while the x-axis is based on time. Go ahead and save a little bit of time. I'm going to go ahead and pull the weather baffle off so we can get the butane gas out, and we'll run the test one more time. So we're at a green state, and you'll notice also that our orange line is down towards the very bottom. So let me spray a little more butane in here. And what should happen is the sensor is going to sense this. It's going to provide a 4 to 20 milliamp signal to our wireless node. And we went from green to red, and this information is sent wirelessly over to the laptop, as you can see here with the orange curve. I hope you've enjoyed this short presentation, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Thank you for your time.